Welcome! In today's tutorial, we'll go over how to disable the send message when someone boosts this server option in Discord. If you're managing a community and want to keep your server announcements clean and simple without automatic messages every time someone boosts, this quick guide is for you. First, open the Discord app on your device. You can do this from your desktop or mobile, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, choose the server where you want to make the change. Tap the server's name at the top of your screen. This will open a small menu with several options. Next, from that menu, select Settings. This will take you to all the configuration options for your server. From here, scroll down and tap Overview. The Overview section is where you can manage all sorts of core settings, like server name, region, and system message preferences. Now, look for the section called System Messages Settings. This is where Discord controls when and where automated messages appear on your server, like when new members join or when someone boosts the server. Under that section, find the option that says Send a Message. When someone boosts this server, by default, it's usually turned on, which means every time someone boosts your server, Discord automatically posts a message about it. To stop that, simply toggle this option off. Once you've turned it off, don't forget this next step, tap Save. This ensures your changes are kept. If you skip saving, the setting will stay the same as before and the boost messages will still appear.